Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in Cape Town, South Africa, and today we're staying at the Granddaddy Hotel. So if you're looking for an interesting, eclectic place to stay while you're here in Cape Town, then you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Alright guys, like I said, we're here in the good old Cape Town today. Super excited. I'm really pumped about this hotel. It's super quaint, super cute. So we're gonna give you guys a room tour, and then those will take you guys on a resort tour where you get to see all the fun things. So there's a rooftop bar here, there's a couple restaurants. Really excited to check it out. So let's start with the room tour. All right, and here we are in room 205, the Sugar Daddy Suite, because of course. Let's go check it out. All right. As we enter in, here's a quick pan of half the room. Let's go section by section. Behind me is the door, and you guys will see in a second why I'm so pumped about this room, because I think it's super cute. All right, so starting from the door. So plenty of locks, these little slidey things for safety too, very important. Panning over to the left, we have some of our bags here. Lewis went back downstairs to the car to get the rest of it. That little poo for sitting, a super comfy couch because I've already sat on it, some adorable artwork of an Ellie and a rhino. We love to see it. Have some window moments here where we can look down and see the streets of Cape Town. The doors do not open though. Actually, they might. This one might actually open, so we'll have to play with that later. We have a little chair here and a coffee table. Back over by the door, we have a chest of drawers. Little globe moment for us. Little art book and some more storage. All right, painting back over this way, we have a armoire, which has plenty of space, a place to put your suitcase so you can pull that out, plenty of hangers, and a safe, as well as two mirrors, one on this side and one on that side. So moving on from the armoire, we have another window, and we have the TV. Water is complimentary, and a fridge, and then a coffee station here as well. Very nice. From the TV fridge space, we have a giant bed, which I'm super excited about. I love these pillows. I think they're so cute with the rhinos on them. Panning over from the bed, we have two side tables. Looks like under the side tables, we have plenty of storage space, or plenty of plug space down there. I'll have to check and see later what that looks like. I think it's USB, and I'm going to call that a universal plug. I don't know, I'll have to ask Lewis. But painting back over from the TV, we have a balcony, which I think if we pull hard enough, this one will open. We'll have to see. Hi, honey. Welcome back. Only halfway done, so we'll have to check out those doors later. But painting over this way, we have a little like vanity makeup area. Again, plenty of plugs, which we definitely need. And then a book of all the pretty things. Like the Ellie, love that. Heading into this way, we have the bathroom. So we know what that is. Plenty of storage, a huge vanity. Hello, pretty mirror. A soaking tub, which I'm very excited about, and this huge shower. I have to admit, really excited about this place. This is probably the biggest room that we've seen since we've been here. And I think Lewis would like it too. After this, Lewis will give you guys a full resort tour. There's plenty of things to see and check out. This hotel is very boutique-y, so I'm gonna like it.
I like it, I love the color scheme.
Yeah, it is a nice color scheme. So he'll take you guys on a resort tour a little bit later, and make sure you guys are hanging out with us because we're gonna do all the things in Cape Town. This is the final stop on our Lewis and Christine's excellent adventure around Africa. So there you go.
All right guys, so we are standing here on the corner of Long and Castle Street. Here is the Granddaddy Hotel, right next to 38, which is a food place, restaurant. So anyways, kind of looks like a Hampton Inn from the outside with the colors and the logos and everything, but no, this is the Granddaddy. So 38 Long Street. This place is pretty sweet, so let's go inside and take a look. Here are the main entrance doors. So there is the 38, which is part of the hotel. The elevator goes up. Down this way is where you would park your car if you were to park here. So parking is 100 Rand per night, which is like $5, ridiculously cheap. But here is the parking garage. is very small. There are 3 cars there. They also park staff cars behind it. Don't be in a rush to leave because you may have to wait for the staff to move their car, but there's basically 3 spots here. There's also 3 spots at the garage down the street as well. That's where I had to park tonight, so keep that in mind. You may not be able to park right there. All right, going back this way to the lobby. All right, up the stairs. I got this cool Alice in Wonderland theme throughout. Excuse me. So there's actually another restaurant here called Alice. Fortunately, it is closed right now, but it is all Alice in Wonderland themed. It is pretty awesome. Let's see if we can go up to the rooftop. When we checked in the other day, the elevator was broken, so I had to hoof it up 2 stories. Well, really 3, but not too bad. The bell hop helped me with my bags. Here's the elevator. Let's hop inside. And take this up to the 3rd floor. So interesting. G is ground, 1 is Alice, 2 is where our floor is, 3 is the top floor. Let's see. All right, so what we're looking for is Airstream Trailers Sky Bar. I think that that's still up. So here is the Sky Bar. You got Coronas, drinks, everything. So if you want to hang out and have a drink, they've also got these really cool Airstream trailers you can stay in. So we considered renting one of these, but we got the Sugar Daddy suite, which I think I liked more. So it's a beautiful view of the city from up here while still being separated from the chaos down below. I know on our floor, which is number 2, it still seems very chaotic. And it is a loud area, a lot of noise at night, but they do give you earplugs. So if we were to continue to go around, there's the bathroom. I think these Airstreams may not have bathrooms. Maybe that's why it's a shared bathroom here. You can see several other Airstreams, as well as a cool place to hang out. It looks like they got a projector screen too, so you could probably watch some movies. So some of the Airstreams are bigger than others. You can see this is one of the real long ones versus like one of the real short ones. So like that's one of those 2-pin battleships, and this is like a 4-pin battleship. And then there's also all these little games around. Really neat, I like it a lot. So if we haven't done so yet, we will put in the footage now of our room. If we've already done that, then I guess we'll skip to quirks and features. All right guys, it is our last night here in the Sugar Daddy suite. Now that we've had some time to live in the room, here are your quirks and features. Number 1 is, as you can see, we are in the middle of a large downtown area. It does get very loud. I think there's several bars in the area as well. So people out partying basically all hours of the night. They don't really stop until like dawn. So kind of be aware of that. There is quite a bit of noise, but they do give you earplugs if that sort of thing bothers you. It did wake me up a handful of times throughout our stay, but nothing too bad. Sometimes you would get the cars that come by with the loud basses or whatever. And at one point I looked out to see what was going on in the street. It was a complete party out there. And I'm talking girls hanging out of sunroofs, driving down the road, all kinds of craziness. So just kind of be aware of that. Another quirk, I know there's probably no surprise if you've traveled to South Africa at all, but to me it was a surprise because, again, so I'll mention it with the power supplies, the power outlets. They use UK power outlets here. Kind of makes sense because of the UK influence in this area, but I assumed that it was that they would use the same ones that Europe and the rest of Africa uses. Apparently when you get down to the south part of Africa, they use a lot of UK plugs. So keep that in mind if you want to bring your travel adapters. Now, they do have a couple plugs in the room that do accept US plugs as well as basically universal plugs. It's not really necessary to have a travel adapter, but if you want the most amount of plugs, UK power adapters. Another thing I would point out here are these balconies are really awesome, that it would be great if you could get out there. Unfortunately, you can't, they're all locked. So don't think you're gonna have your Romeo and Juliet moment, because it ain't happening. All right, so in conclusion, it is a really nice hotel, well appointed, in the thick of the action, easy access to the waterfront. It's about a 30-minute walk from here. Plenty of other things to see and do in the area. The Sky Ride's about a 10-minute walk from here. The Colonial House is about a 10 to 15-minute walk from here. You know, like the fort sort of thing. So plenty of things in the area. There's convenience stores nearby, food, everything you'd want, plus restaurants on site. So really enjoyed our stay here at Granddaddy. Love the motif of this place. I think it's fantastic. So anyways, we're gonna wrap it up now. Remember, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. And follow along with all of our journeys. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
So, at the
I don't know.
and here's Lewis with. Oh, and you like it too?
I don't have my mic.
Just say you like it too. Oh, you know, just taking some room pics. So you guys actually click on the video. Good job, babes.
Don't forget to mention the hotels.com
Okay.
affiliates link in the description. Okay, but thank you. Love you.
Love you too. Please don't break your back trying to carry all the. Maybe your sunglasses. Yeah. Back, panning back over from the. Hopefully you guys can hear me with this.
This place is pretty sweet, so let's go inside and take a look. Oh.